Which garage door insulation kit is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit. Let's kick things off with the Reach Barrier Garage Door Insulation Kit. Priced at $58.88. This kit caught my eye because it's designed specifically for single garage doors, covering an area of 64 square feet. If you want to keep your garage at a stable temperature without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. What makes this kit stand out is its radiant heat control. The reflective air insulation reduces heat transfer, which means that your garage stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. It comes with 8 pre-cut panels that are easy to install. All you need are the included adhesive pads and a pair of scissors. Plus, it's durable enough to withstand extreme weather. Now, I have to be honest, some users mentioned that the adhesive pads could be a bit tricky to apply correctly. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and ensure the surfaces are clean, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just be patient during installation. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable and straightforward solution to keep your garage insulated. Skip this one if you have a double garage door, as you will need to buy 2 kits for full coverage. Overall, it offers solid value for your money. Now, if the adhesive issue concerned you, the next option might offer a more foolproof installation. Product number 2, NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core. Next up is the NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Insulation Kit. At $119.87, it's a bit pricier but covers a generous 144 square feet, making it suitable for 2-car garages. If you want an insulation kit that meets all fire codes and offers superior R value, this is definitely one to consider. This kit includes heavy-duty double-sided tape, which is a big plus for easy installation. Its R value of 8.0 means excellent thermal performance, keeping your garage insulated against both summer heat and winter cold. The foam core is also waterproof and weatherproof, ensuring that it will last in various conditions. Plus, it comes with easy instructions, so even if you're a DIY novice, you should be fine. However, a few users pointed out that the tape can lose its stickiness over time. But honestly, if you follow the instructions and let it set properly, it shouldn't be a huge issue. It's really about making sure that you apply it well. This is perfect for you if you have a larger garage and want something that's durable and easy to install. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as the higher price might not fit into your plans. Still, it's a great investment for those looking to insulate more space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those wanting a budget-friendly yet effective solution. Product number 3, MyFamiria Garage Door Insulation Kit Panels. Now we have the MyFamiria Garage Door Insulation Kit Panels. Priced at $107.97. This is designed for double garage doors and covers 8 square feet per panel, giving you a snug fit for your garage. The 6mm thick panels are made from premium aluminum foil and polyethylene bubble, which means they not only insulate well, but also resist wear and tear. They effectively block heat entry and prevent heat loss, which can reduce your energy bills. What's great is that these panels are flexible, making installation a breeze. Just cut them to size, peel off the tape, and stick them on. But here's the catch. Some users noted that they arrived with creases due to packaging. Here's the thing though. If you give them a few minutes after opening, they typically flatten out, and it's not a deal breaker by any means. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an effective insulation solution at a reasonable price. Skip this if you prefer a more solid panel without any potential for creasing during delivery. Overall, you get good energy savings for your money. Now, if you like the concept of flexible panels but want something slightly larger, stick around for the next option. Product number 4, MyFamiria Garage Door Insulation Kit, 18 by 6.8 feet. Moving on, we have another MyFamiria model, this time designed for double garage doors, priced similarly at $103.97. This kit covers 7.69 square feet with pre-cut reflective aluminum foil, making it easy to install. Like the previous one, it features a 6mm thickness that effectively blocks heat and cold. It's lightweight and odorless, which is a bonus if you're sensitive to smells. The installation process is straightforward. Just clean the surface, cut to size, and apply the tape. However, some folks have reported that the adhesive could be more robust. But honestly, if you follow the installation instructions and prep the surface well, it usually sticks just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a handy insulation solution. Skip this if you need something with a more permanent adhesive, as that might be a concern. Still, it provides excellent value for those who want to save on energy costs. Now, if you're interested in a truly heavy-duty option, stay tuned for the final product on our list. Product number 5, NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core. Finally, we have the NASA Tech White Reflective Foam Core Insulation Kit. At $109.89, it covers the same space as the previous NASA Tech kit, making it suitable for larger garages. If you want ultimate insulation and soundproofing, this could be your best bet. This kit features durable polyurethane foam that provides excellent insulation and soundproofing benefits. The heavy-duty double-sided tape makes installation smooth, ensuring that it stays put over time. Plus, it meets all safety standards, which is a huge plus for peace of mind. Some users found that the installation can be a bit tricky due to the size of the panels. But honestly, if you take your time and follow the guidelines, it should be manageable. It's all about being prepared and patient. This is perfect for you if you prioritize both insulation and soundproofing in your garage. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option, as it's priced higher than some others. But for the quality you get, it's a worthwhile investment. To wrap things up, we've covered a variety of garage door insulation kits that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you're after affordability, size, or soundproofing, there's something here for everyone. To recap, we reviewed the Reach Barrier, NASA Tech, and My Familia kits, each offering unique benefits. If you need something budget-friendly, go with Reach Barrier. For larger spaces, NASA Tech is a great choice. And for a balance of quality and price, My Familia has solid options. No matter what you choose, insulating your garage can bring significant comfort and savings.